Mike Shorr of Prosper Trading Academy joins me now. He is a day trader. Always good to have you here.
Thank you, as always.
You'll never believe this, but yesterday, Starbucks was the final trade of the day, and today, Starbucks is the final trade of the day, but completely different trades. Yesterday, the trader was going longer. He was going into the October options expiration by buying calls at the 90 strike.
Yep.
You're doing something different because yours is a fast trade.
Fast trade. So my thoughts about Starbucks has nothing to do with a longer term chart. If you look at the longer term chart, there's nothing bearish about it. So I would be completely on board with that. But what I'm looking at, what's nice about being a day trader and also able to trade further out, is that it really doesn't matter what's happening over the next 6 months or 3 months or whatever. I'm looking at, in this case, anywhere from 15 to maybe 90 minutes in Starbucks. And
wow.
so Starbucks came back. So Starbucks, they came out and they actually guided lower. So I believe the quote was that their 220 EPS growth was meaningfully below what they had put out before. So that sent the stock down right to about the 94 strike, which is about 2.8% down. They cited essentially their tax credits were starting to wane, and that was weighing on their outlook for the 2020. So what I'm looking for is when something like this happens, typically, obviously, it goes down because they lowered everybody's expectations. Profits get taken, and so I'm looking for that pullback to sell it again. So we were trading at like 94.04 when I left the desk. I'm looking for a pullback up to the 94.40 area. I'm going to buy the 94 puts going out just for Friday. If my delta's correct, I think it should be trading about 61, 62 cents at that point. And then I'm looking for that pullback. So back down to the lows again. So very easy on something like this. I usually stop myself out at a 15% loss, and I'm looking for a 25% gain on that. So if I buy it at 61, 62, I'm going to stop myself out at 54 cents, and then I'm looking for a target of about 79 cents.
We'll see what happens there. That seems like an interesting trade for you. Really quick, though.
Really quick.
All right, let's take a look at the broader market. Any thoughts there?
It seems that the market is looking for a reason to buy this, but on every day, I mean, we look on Friday, it was kind of whatever. Then we have news about basically China and Hong Kong and Brexit. That sent us down. And then the following day, the opposite news happens and it goes back up. So it seems like we're seeing a little bit of a bottom, but the market has no problem going down for a very short period of time. I'm talking like a day or two. It's really hard to trade this market from the downside. It's not really so easy to buy it either, but that's the way that I'm seeing it.
You're not fighting the trend here.
Nope.
Good to have you here. Thanks so much, Mike.
Thank you very much.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.